Hi everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. I have been so behind on doing my burping videos, so I thought I would just do some burping videos this way so you guys that enjoy these type of videos can just hear them more often. It's easier for me to do them this way than to record and wait on them to upload and all that jazz. So every now and then, you guys, just to bring you something, I am going to be doing some videos like this. And to everybody out there who doesn't like these type of videos, warning, this is going to be excessive burping on command. So if you do not like these type of videos, why don't you just do yourself a favor and don't tune in, unsubscribe to the channels. To my haters out there who are subscribed to the channel and are thumbs downing my videos every single time they come out, thank you, and I appreciate you for subscribing to my channel. I thank you for the feedback that you're giving my channel, because whether you like it or not, you're still helping me. So thank you so much for tuning in and being a supporter. Whether you know it or not, you're a supporter, you're a fan. Thanks for watching. Let's get started, you guys. And to the people who actually like these type of videos, you guys, make sure you are giving each and every one of these videos a thumbs up. Make sure you're leaving lots of comments in the comment bar below, because you have to go out of your way to let me know that you like these videos and let YouTube know that there is someone out there who really likes these videos, because the evil, wicked people who don't have anything better to do with their time, who are bored, who are not happy, who are miserable with life, go out of their way to stalk videos and people who they don't like for no reason at all. But God is love, and I love him and he loves me, so we're here to stay regardless. Let's get the burping, y'all. I'm gonna burp directly into my mic so it could be louder. Whew, that was a loud one. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you like videos like this and you want to see more. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so the next time I upload a video, you will be alerted. And don't forget to come back and watch another video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.